Hi there, this is Chris, the owner of Simmons Landscape and Irrigation here in Northwest Ohio. We're all about transparency here, so I'd like to take a moment to answer some frequently asked questions about maintenance. Maintenance. Repair. Can you like shape yourself into an R back there? Sometimes folks ask us, is it cheaper to replace my sprinkler system or repair what I already have? And in a lot of cases it depends. We're going to want to at least put a pair of boots on the ground and walk through what the damage is at the moment and at least come up with a plan of action to salvage what you have. And sometimes it just makes more sense to start from scratch. An example of when we'd want to go ahead and replace an irrigation system is when, say, a pool has been installed and we have major damage to wiring, pipe, and the zones that used to water a whole backyard, as an example. So what we often see in terms of irrigation repair is on the high end, right around $2,500. Typically when a pool is put in and there's a few lines broken and we have to reroute some pipe, all the way down to around $300, which is just part of our inspection and maybe one or two broken sprinkler heads. So how do you know if you need irrigation repair? So if you notice that you have wet spots in your yard, a sprinkler that's not working the way it's supposed to, maybe it's quit rotating, or you're seeing an abnormally high water bill, might be a good indicator that you need to have someone come out and check through the system to see if repairs are necessary. We've been in business for over 100 years, but if I was ever in a scenario where I couldn't figure something out, because of that time spent in business, I have great relationships with local suppliers and vendors and people that could come to our rescue.